Hey guys, it's time for the show. We're going to start with this Dragon Tears Fountain. Let's fire it up. See what she does. It's kind of neat. Not sure how long this is. Cool. Oh, got them nice blue. Huh. Oh, zoom in on that. I love the blue. Real interesting. Huh. A little longer than I thought. Wow. Wasn't bad. Alright, let's get the next one. I've been dying to see what this thing does. It's called Cover Your Ears. Let's see what that does. Here we go. Is it light? I don't know. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah. Wee little baby cake like that. Thing has some power. Let's see. Oh, let's do it. Happy planets. See if I can find a fuse. Yep. We go. Just come on, Cam. Huh. Quick 36 shots, huh? Alright, let's see here. Let's do. Oh yeah. Saturn missile battery. Let's see. Hope she lights. Hope it lights. Ooh, oh. That was a quick. some range on that. My camera won't That's it in that one, huh? Alright, let's see here. I think we're going to try. Let's try this freebie. I don't know what it does. She was a free one. Let's see. Huh. Where's that? Ah, there it is. See, like I said, just trap her with bricks. Won't have a problem. Oh, here we go. Know what that baby's gonna do. Oh yeah. Nice. Wow. That was a good one. All right. Let's see. See how this says face aside towards the spectators? All right. That one was badass. Just like that. Okay, boy. Oh yeah. See, like I said, I get some better range. This thing got some range. Is that it? That was a quickie. All right. What we got here? Colortopia. Okay. Boy, here we go. Ooh. Whoa. Look at them ashes coming down. That's way up there, man. Whew. It's hard to believe. Well, let's do. I've been dying to see this. It's called machine gun shell. machine gun show. Not bad, huh? That's a nice one. It's loud. All right, so let's do hello neighbor. Okay. Side towards the spectators. Okay. Let's see, here we go. Oh boy. Whew, I don't know what this is going to do. Whoa! Wow! Whoa! That was a quickie, huh? I did not think that would do that. That thing was badass. Do this palm pyro. Yep. Go. We go. Palm pyro pageantry. Oh boy. I don't know what this is going to do. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna do big and bad, and then we're gonna do highfalutin for the finale. Well, I'll do some shells. Okay, let's see. This is big and bad. I remember this. This thing is bad, big and bad. Yep. Let's see. Oh boy. It's going to be a... Let's do highfalutin. Whew. All right, here we go. Let's find a wick. Highfalutin. Here we go. Uh-oh. Here we go. That was bad ass. Let me finish off these Nikishi shells. Yeah. Okay. Now that was bad ass. That was a good cake. Like I says, get it here. There's the tube. Your shell in there. Light it. Oh man, that's bad. Wow. That's loud. Last Nikishi shell. Oh. Wow. Let's do some neon selects. Doing this all myself. I don't have anybody else to help me, so what I gotta do. I didn't remember them things being that loud. Them things are nasty. Okay, let's see. Neon select. Oh, I don't know how bad these are going to be. That was pretty. Oh. Whew. Sounds like thunder. Whew. Let's do some platinum Excals. How about that? Yeah, let's do that. We'll save them. And my cousin wants to see them, so some of them neons. I'll save them. He's not here, so got stuff going on. Alright. Platinum Excal. Huh. Not jag-off helicopters, is it? Need to get a life. You believe this bullshit? Communist USA. Well within my rights. Hell, I think it's, what is it, 9 o'clock? Did this shit last year. Fuck you, I know what the fuck I'm doing, asshole. Get your little fucking helicopter out of here. You know? Live in a baby world. Huh. Ain't that some bullshit, huh? Go. Platinum X-Cal. Wow. Another. See, this one says blue lemon. I don't know, pretty cool. Oh. We'll do another one, and I think that's about it, guys. One more. Platinum X-Cal. Woo! Oh, man. Whoa! Shit! Well, guys, there was the show. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hey, guys, like I says, as long as you do this stuff safe, you ain't got nothing to deal with. You ain't got nothing to worry about. Like I said, being I did 6, this tube's gonna go. Same thing with these tubes. When they're done, throw them away. Okay, guys, next time, keep feeling the heat.